one of the mistakes of the past was to say, women, you need to do all of these different things to show your value.
So when I think back over my career, early on, there weren't a lot of women within financial services. And so having those role models to look up to, there weren't really many of them. And I had to raise my voice and push even harder. I had to be doing everything at 1,000%.
How do you do it? How is it done? And the answer is it's not done. It's like total chaos, and there's no real such thing as balance.
When you look at entry-level positions, there is diversity across gender for male and female. So it's about 50-50 when people start out in the industry. And then as you go up the different rungs of the ladder, it starts dropping off precipitously. We have a lot less representation at the higher levels of companies in financial services. So this is problematic for many reasons. And one of the reasons is just the diversity of thought and the different skill sets that different people bring.
If you think about who is the actual end customer that all of these technologies benefiting, it's everybody. Our clients' clients have that full breadth of diversity. So we have to, in order to succeed, have that level of diversity.
Diversity is a very positive aspect here. At the end of the day, is what you bring to the table and the value you will bring to the organization.
Do you have the culture within a company to be able to ensure that everyone's, again, able to be kind of heard and supported in that way? As a woman, to be able to mentor other women and talk about my experience, to share candidly, hey, you're not the only one who might be going through something like this. Here's what I did when I encountered a situation like that. Just that relational type of empathy is huge.
I think one of the things that's really important is having the community for women within the environment.
As we start to think about empowering women through programs like STEM and really reaching out to the communities to make sure that younger women have access to technology, those are the types of grassroots programs that we really need to start to build up and support and continue to look at throughout the evolution of a woman's career.
We're in a better position collectively today than we were yesterday, than we were last year. And I think we always will have some place to go in terms of continuing to strive, to do better, to improve.
It wasn't until later in my career when I felt my voice was strong enough that I started to champion myself even better. When I look across the industry, it's amazing to see so many significant women now who have a seat at that table.